All right, my friends, Ron Henderson here. Doing the Purpose series. Today we're going to talk about discipline. The lack of it and the importance of it. If you're not succeeding in areas that you want to succeed in, you might lack discipline. You might lack it. Because it takes a disciplined person to succeed in anything. If you watch a professional football player, the ones that are really good, what do? They spend hours even after the team is done practicing their skill. My friends, I have a question for you right now. What is it that you want to do in life? And are you practicing? Even me shooting this video right now, guess what? It takes time. But I want to give you something that's going to help you. I want to add value to your life. So I've had to be disciplined enough to shoot 3 to 4 videos a week on an average, sometimes maybe only 2 or 3, because I know that the more I do it, the more you're going to benefit from it, and you're going to get value in that, and that's going to help change your life. And when I leave planet Earth, when God takes me home, then I feel like at least I've done something instead of just existing. But if you want to do better things in life, then you're going to have to learn the discipline. What is it right now that you're thinking about? Listening to my voice. Here's the deal. I come to you and I'm for real. This is me. If you've ever met me before, you're going to get real conversation because I know what it's like to be undisciplined. I've had times in my life when I was undisciplined and that was a train wreck. Things changed when God came into my life, when I became disciplined and not doing the things that I shouldn't do, doing the things that would help me. So I had to study more. I had to practice more. I had to work at doing things to even augment my vocabulary. Because when I was young, it wasn't very good. And I encourage you right now, look at your life and say, what is it that I struggle with? Is it weight? What is it? Is it something dealing with health? What is it? Is it financial? And whatever it is, start watching videos or take a course on something that will help you to become more disciplined. It really does start with a mind shift. You have to start shifting, and when you start doing that, my friends, you are going to see your life change. And as you're doing it, please comment. Let me know if you like these videos, but even more than that, let me know if it's helping you. This is not fake news. When you discipline yourself, it will improve any area of your life. My friends, I hope this has served you well. Lastly, I'm going to submit to you right now that if you become more disciplined, you're going to see your life starting to change for the better. See you next time. Stay fit, stay blessed, and stay disciplined, my friends. Stay disciplined.